In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live chat in Perplexity AI. If you've looked around for a simple toggle and couldn't find one, don't worry. This feature is managed by the support team, and I'll walk you through exactly how to request it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your Perplexity account. You can do this on the web or in the mobile app. Just sign in as you normally would, so you're on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the account area. On desktop, this is typically your profile icon or name in the top corner. On mobile, it may appear in a menu. Click into Account to open your settings and help options. Next, go to Support. You should see a Support or Help section right there in the account area. Open that up and then choose the Contact option. This is where you can reach the support team directly. You'll usually land on a contact form or a message window designed for customer requests. In the message box, explain that you'd like to enable live chat on your account. Keep it short, clear, and specific. Mention that you're requesting access to the live chat feature in Perplexity AI and, if helpful, include brief context like what you want to use it for or where you expect to see it once enabled. It helps to add details that speed up troubleshooting, such as the device and browser you're using, any messages you've seen in the interface, and whether you're using the web or mobile app. If you can, include a concise screenshot of the area where you expected to find live chat, but only if it doesn't contain any personal or sensitive information. When you're done, submit your message. After sending your request, keep an eye on your inbox and in-app notifications for a reply from the support team. Response times can vary, but they'll let you know if live chat can be enabled on your account and where to find it once it's active. If they need more information to proceed, respond promptly so they can complete the setup. If you don't see the contact option right away, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or checking from another device or browser. App users should make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes interface labels move slightly, but the path remains the same. Open your account, go to Support, then Contact. That's it. Open your account, head to Account, tap Support, choose Contact, and send your request to enable live chat. Follow up as needed, and you'll be ready to chat once it's turned on.